Finally, guys, Thulani went back to his father Luzuko to face him. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gqeberha, the Empire, from the 9th to the 13th of October 2023 on Monday. Zimkita worries Thulani rise from the dead will affect Ntando. Fundiswa want Mbube to know that she's not a girl but a woman who knows what she wants. Not just signs Ntando or sings Ntando's praise while Msimelo forgive him on Tuesday. Fundiswa learns that it takes more than SMS to capture a man's heart on Wednesday. Thulani is determined to make amends no matter the risk. Ntando declares his love to an old crush but doesn't get a desired reaction. Fundiswa continues playing with fire but doesn't seem to be getting anywhere on this day. Thulani goes back to face Luzuko. Nonhle gives in to her feelings for Ntando. Fundiswa tells Mbube what she wants in very clear terms on Friday. Thulani doesn't get the reaction she or he expected from Luzuko, but he is not giving up. Mbube and Fundiswa achieve a milestone, but there's still another mountain to climb. Ntando chooses love despite what people think. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.